Tuesday, August 5th, King's Highway. Having turned back the attack on Crow's Bridge, we headed south to rejoin the Legion in another small town called Otter Ferry. On our way, we met a force of our own men hurrying in the opposite direction, who gave us ill news. The vanguard of our army, 20,000 men, has been camped near Otter Ferry for 2 days now. The mayor of that village must have guessed our plan to cross the Scamander River behind the main enemy force and to attack them by surprise. Perhaps in the cowardly hope that he would be spared when the dark sacked Madrigal, the mayor intends to betray us to the enemy. A quick death will be too good for him, but we will have time for nothing else. One of the locals knows of the clearing where the mayor arranged his meeting with the Dark and will lead us there.
Have you seen the mayor of Otter Ferry?
Ready? Yes? Yes? Sir? Ready?
Yikes! Bad guys!
Yes, sir.
Yes? Yes! Hey, step aside.
Yes.
Sir?
Okay. Yeah.
Ready?
Mic up, you. Yes.
Sir? Money! Money!
Oh, yeah. Move there.
Got him!
Yes. Mic up your mind. Okay. Yes. Move here, move there.
There he is! Kill him!
Yes, sir.
Stand clear. Hey, move it. Stand clear. Ready? Right away. On the way.
Aside.
Right away. Step aside. Hey, all right.
Move it.
Right away. All right. Hey, watch it.
Casualty.
Ooh, sorry.
Mic up.
Money. Stand clear.
Casualty.
Okay.
Ready.
Casualty.
Money.
Move here, move there.
Yes, right away. Sir? All right. Sir?
Yes, sir.